Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you see liked videos in Instagram. So let's continue to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see your profile icon in the right bottom corner. Click on your profile icon. After clicking, you can see three dash icon in the top right corner. Click on the three dash icon. After clicking, you can see in the second option your activity. Click on your activity. After clicking, you can see third option interactions. Click on interactions. After clicking, you can see likes, the second option. Click on likes. After clicking on likes, you can see the posts that you once liked and you can see all in here. So guys, this is how can you see your liked photos or videos in Instagram. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.